AI is the most powerful technology ever built. You have heard it everywhere. AI agents are the future. Autonomous AI will replace entire workflows. Just build an agent and it runs itself. And yet, 90% of AI agents built today fail in production. Not because the AI is dumb, not because the idea is wrong, but because of one simple mistake almost every builder makes. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what that mistake is, and you will never make it again. Think of an AI model like GPT, Claude, or Gemini as a brain, an incredibly powerful brain. It can reason, plan, write, analyze, decide, and strategize. Honestly, the brain part is mostly solved. These models are brilliant. They break down hard problems, synthesize context, and produce impressive outputs on command. But here is the problem. A brain sitting alone can do absolutely nothing. It can think about picking up a glass of water. It can plan every micro-movement. It can reason about gravity, friction, and force. But without a body, it just sits there, thinking, forever. That is your AI agent without proper tooling and infrastructure. If intelligence alone was enough, nearly every agent would already work. Intelligence is not the bottleneck. The system around the model is the bottleneck, and almost nobody builds it correctly. Most builders know the model needs to act, so they add tools. A web search, a code executor, a database connection. They tell themselves, great, now my agent has hands. Then they ship it, and it breaks immediately. Why does it break? Because they gave the brain hands but forgot almost everything else required for reliable execution. A complete agent body needs 6 systems working together. Let me walk you through them. Hands are tools, APIs, code runners, and file readers. Eyes are input parsing, document reading, and web extraction. A skeleton is clear goals, task structure, and defined stop conditions. Blood is memory and state flowing between steps. A nervous system is orchestration keeping all components coordinated. An immune system is error handling, fallbacks, and recovery logic. Most teams only build the hands. They ignore the rest. And then they wonder why the agent collapses after step 3. Okay, let us get specific. Here are the 6 real reasons agents fail in production, starting with reason 1. Reason 1, vague goals. You tell the agent to research competitors and write a report. That is not a task, that is a wish. The agent does not know when to stop, what format you want, or what done looks like. It needs tight, bounded, measurable instructions. Reason 2, no memory. Every step the agent takes, it starts completely fresh. Imagine doing your job but forgetting everything from 5 minutes ago. Without proper short-term and long-term memory, your agent loops, repeats itself, and contradicts its own earlier decisions. Reason 3, broken tools. This one is huge and almost nobody talks about it. Your tools are not just functions, they are prompts. The tool description is what the model reads to decide when and how to use it. Vague description, hallucinated behavior. Every single time. Reason 4, no error recovery. Real-world APIs fail, responses are malformed, context windows run out. Most pipelines are built for the happy path only. One unexpected response and the whole thing crashes or silently goes wrong. Your agent needs reflexes. It needs to detect failure and know exactly what to do next. No reflexes, no recovery. Reason 5, hallucination compounding. A tiny wrong assumption at step 2 becomes a catastrophic answer by step 10. Without mid-run checkpoints and validation, each wrong step builds on the last until the output is confidently and completely wrong. Reason 6, build for demo, not production. This is the #1 killer. It works perfectly in your notebook. You ship it and it immediately hits a real user input it never saw before and dies. No logging, no monitoring, no rate limiting. No cost controls, no auth boundaries. An AI agent is a backend service. It must be treated exactly like one. So what do the 10% that actually work do differently? 3 things. The first is they go narrow before they go autonomous. They do not build an agent that does everything. They build one that does a single workflow perfectly and reliably. Then they expand. Second, they treat infrastructure as seriously as the AI itself. Logging, observability, error handling, and state management are not optional. The boring systems work is actually the most important work. It is what turns a demo into a product that runs reliably every day. Third, they keep humans in the loop strategically. Not for every step, but for the high-stakes decisions where mistakes are expensive. The formula is simple. Narrow scope, reliable tools, observable execution, graceful failure, then scale. In that exact order. Almost everyone reverses this order. They try to scale before they have observability. They add features before they have reliability. Do not do that. So let us bring it back to the start. The brain, the model, is not the problem. We keep shipping brains without bodies. No nervous system, no memory, no error reflexes, no structure. And then we are surprised when the whole system fails. The builders who are winning right now are not using dramatically smarter AI. They are building better bodies around the same models. Next time you build an agent, do not only ask if the model is good enough, ask if the body is complete. That question separates demos from products. If this helped, share it with someone building agents right now. See you in the next one.